Prepositions of place. Journey with across, through, and along. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving into a special part of English grammar, prepositions of place. We're specifically focusing on the words across, through, and along. Don't worry if they've caused you confusion in the past. We'll clear everything up today. Prepositions of place are words that help us describe where something or someone is located. Across, through, and along are used to denote movement. Let's break them down. Across. It's used when you're talking about moving from one side of a certain area to the other. Like crossing a road. Through. This preposition implies movement in the middle of a defined space. Imagine walking through a forest. Along. It is used to denote movement in a line down a long, thin space. Think about a journey along a river. It's always easier to understand with examples, so let's explore some. Across. She walked across the road to reach her home. Through. They hiked through the forest for hours. Along. We strolled along the riverbank at sunset. Now that you've got a handle on the concepts, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Try to fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. 1. The dog ran, blank, the park. Across. 2. We drove, blank, the tunnel. Through. 3. He walked, blank, the hallway. Along. Remember, practice makes perfect. Let's take it one step further with some sentences where the preposition is misplaced. Your task is to identify the error and correct it. 1. The bird flew along the lake. Correct preposition. Across. 2. I walked along the park to enjoy the beautiful day. Correct preposition. Through. 3. We swam across the swimming pool lane. Correct preposition. Along. Try these out to really solidify your understanding. Well done on reaching the end of this lesson on prepositions of place, across, through, and along. Remember, the key to mastering these is to practice, practice, and practice. Keep learning and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy learning!